In the world there cannot be any other lover who all the great pleasures of love has wholly gained. For I, in my firm desire, would not hold myself better satisfied than he with all his gifts. For now I live rich and joyous, lady beautiful and pleasing. So much I love you loyally, firm, free from all doubt. Just so, like a man in peril healed on the bitter sea, when a fair breeze leads him to a good harbor. And since worth and praise cannot have value without honor, in the place of a suppliant I have given myself to you. And in the place of lying together, I take the love and the company for a very fair reward. A lady falls to me from you, just so I may be joyful. For one fair honor is worth more than one small gift, and every worthy cherished man, without too much begging, does many fair gifts when it is his pleasure. And your fair pleasures are of such great sweetness that with noble deeds of worth you make the worthy prized, honored, and held dear. And the worth and the beauties for which many are envious, and the honored replies that you give to all people, and the gracious company, then rich and joyful, that make you a guide to all in prizing worth. So lordship over all praise is given to you. So if in good hope the servants remain, who serve a good Lord, I must not be blamed if with you I wish to stay, where all goods are placed. And let no jealous, troublesome slanderer be about, nor let an unfitting word think to feed me between the teeth. Rather good songs heard afar, for worth and joy the guides make themselves praised. By the best there were noble lineages. So it is worth more if I speak truth of your great worth than lying of elsewhere, like one ill rewarded who can succeed in nothing and a fair truth. I must not be in doubt, for just as the lion with eyes open is sleeping, lady, in just such a way my spirit sees you waking, and asleep upon awaking I start towards you, a shadow towards the sun. Fair diamond, cherished, treasure and joy complete in loving you, and obeying you is all my heart's desire.